In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gemini Business for Google Workspace using the most up-to-date method. Whether you're looking to integrate AI capabilities into your Google Workspace or simply need the latest features for your business, this guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. Let's get started by heading over to Google Workspace. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to access the admin console. You'll find this option readily available, so go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to log in using your business email. This is crucial as it ensures that you have administrative privileges, which are necessary for making changes to your organization's settings in Google Workspace. After logging in, let's direct our attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will see the Google Apps menu, which is represented by a grid icon. Click on this menu to proceed. Within this menu, look for the admin icon and click on it. This will take you directly to the admin settings where you can make the necessary adjustments. Moving on, our next destination is the generative AI section. You can easily locate this by following the links or searching for it within the admin panel. Clicking this will take you to the advanced AI settings available within your Google Workspace. Once you're in the generative AI section, you will find the Gemini app. Click on it to access the configurations specifically meant for Gemini Business. Now that we're focused on the Gemini app, the next step involves selecting the service status. This status determines who within your organization has the capability to use Gemini Business features. To enable these features for every user in your organization, find the option that says Turn on for everyone and click it. This action ensures that all users in your Google Workspace can benefit from the Gemini Business features and tools. Finally, and most importantly, don't forget to click on the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you just made are applied and saved correctly. And there you have it, simple steps to enable Gemini Business for your Google Workspace. By following this guide, you've successfully empowered your business with cutting-edge AI tools. Thanks for joining us in this quick tutorial. Remember, staying up to date with the latest features allows your organization to operate more efficiently and adapt to the changing digital landscape. Make sure to subscribe for more updates and tutorials on optimizing your business tools.